Dear students, welcome back to the class of basic science. Do you remember about layering? We have discussed about layering in the last class. So I think you have learned about it. Am I right? Today we are going to discuss about grafting and budding. Both are another two techniques that we are adopting nowadays in the field of vegetative propagation. So today, first of all, we can discuss about grafting. After completing grafting, we will definitely enter to the part of budding. Grafting is a method to produce superior quantities of plantlets by combining stems of two different plants in the same species. Here in grafting, we should select a rooted plant. That rooted plant is known as stalk, S-T-O-C-K, stalk. And we should select a branch too. That branch is known as scion. Stalk and scions are two different plants, but they are in the same species. Suppose we are doing grafting on mangoes. Just imagine we are going to do grafting on mangoes. We should select two different varieties of mangoes initially. One is indigenous mango tree. What is meant by indigenous mango tree? In Malayalam, we will call it as Nadan Mau. And another one is Malgova. And what are the specialities of indigenous mango tree? It has high resistance towards disease. It has long lifespan. It can easily grow in the soil. So, the indigenous mango tree should select as stock, whereas Malgova has so many other qualities. It will give us yield very quickly, and the fruits are very sweet. So, a branch of Malgova should select as scion, and we are doing grafting by combining Malgova and indigenous mango. Let us go through the steps of grafting. At the first step, we should peel off the bark of facing sides of both stalk and scion. We should just peel off a small portion on the stalk as well as on the scion, and both should be face each other. Then in the second stage, we should bring together both in contact and tie them with jute. So in the second stage, both peeled off region should be come in contact. And in the third stage, cover the region with cloth or plastic tape. Then after 1 month, cut partially stalk above the covered region and cut partially scion below the covered region. In the last stage, again after 1 month, cut both completely. That means cut the upper part of stalk completely and lower part of the scion completely. So we can get a new plantlet. In that plantlet, the lower part is stalk, that is our indigenous mango tree, and the upper part is regarding or related with Malgova. That is, we will call that scion, S-C-I-O-N, scion. Okay, look at the video now. So I hope you have got idea about grafting now, isn't it? Yes. Now we can move to budding. Shall I? Budding is slightly different from grafting. Here in budding, we are grafting bud instead of branch. In the case of grafting, we are using a scion, that is a branch. Am I right? Yes. Instead of that, here we are using a bud with a stalk. So here also we will select a rooted plant, and instead of a branch called scion, we are using a bud here in budding. And this budding is mainly adopting on flowers to get different colors of flowers. So let us go through the steps of budding. Cut off the bud from a quality plant. Make a T-shaped cut on the plant on which the bud is to be grafted and leave the bark open. Insert the bud into the T-shaped cut on the bark. Wrap it in such a way that the bud is exposed. Cut off the upper part of the stalk when the bud attains proper growth. Okay students, what were the steps regarding the budding? First of all, we should cut a good bud from a tree and make a T-shaped cut on a stem and leave its bark just open and insert the bud into that region. Then wrap it in such a way that the bud is exposed. After few months, just cut and remove the upper part of the stalk. And this method is mainly adopting on flower. Okay students, now it is the time to see a video regarding with budding. Definitely after watching the video, you should have a homework. Okay, just see the video now. Draw the pictures about grafting and write its steps mentioned in page number 11 of the textbook. Write the different steps of budding which mentioned in page number 12 into the science diary. So dear students, it is the time to wind up our session now. Don't forget to do the homework into your science diary. And in the very next class, we will meet with hybridization. Okay, thank you for listening. Have a nice day.